All right, let me quickly show you how to add admins to your website and your funnels. If you want to give anyone access to be able to edit things for you, if you have employees maybe, or an assistant or something, or maybe you just want to give access to a web designer if you don't feel like building this out. You can totally do that by just giving them admin access. So in order to do that, you're going to log in and you're on your main page. You're going to go up here to dashboard. Click dashboard, or you could have clicked admins if you wanted to. And if you didn't know, you can see all your traffic and all that kind of stuff in your dashboard, but we'll go to the admin section. And this is where you can add a new admin. So we will click add an admin, and you can give them access to all, like they automatically get access to all sites and funnels, but you can also change that and give them access to just individual things. And then you can also kind of specify what they're able to access in the website and all of that. So if you only want them to be able to use the page builder, you only want them to be able to go into the store, you can specify that there. Put their email in and send an invitation, and then they'll show up under here with whoever's an admin. And you can go into the settings and update their permissions. So, you can add more access or deny more access. And that's pretty much it. So if you want someone to, be able to edit your website for you, or just access maybe messages, maybe you have an assistant that you just need to access messages and stuff like that. And maybe you have employees that can update the store for you, but you don't want them to necessarily be able to build on the website builder. You could just choose store messages, and that's all they would be able to do. So hope that helped you. Hope you, are going to add some people to be able to help you out, because that always makes things a lot easier. So just wanted to give you a little quick tutorial on that, and I hope that helped you. And just remember, subscribe, and I'll keep putting more tutorials out here for you pretty builders. Thanks, guys.